Hello everybody. Today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So we have number 2 and number 2. We can do about factorization. X plus 1 we put on the left, dt and t squared plus t we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of x plus 1. Now I will concentrate about this one only. We have t squared and t. We can do about factorization in here. We know that coefficient of dt that's about number 1. In this situation, I need to add about t in here. Later that we need to minus about t. So t plus 1 divided by t plus 1 and t divided by t. So we have 1 over t minus 1 over t plus 1 dt. The integration of 1 over t and 1 over t plus 1, we have ln of the absolute value of t minus ln of the absolute value of t plus 1. And then we put about c. Now, we have the conditions. That means when t equals to number 1, s equals to number 1. So we put number 1 in here, number 1 in here, and here. So ln of 1 plus 1 is about number 2. This one you got about 0. This one we have ln number 2. So we have negative number 2 ln number 2. And later that we put this one go to the left. And we have c equals to 3 ln number 2. Now we return back in here. So I will put this one to change for c. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.